Amazing change, instantaneous change.
How's that breath, man?
Best ever.
Best ever?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Tell me, what do you mean by the clearest airways in your entire life?
I've struggled with breathing and congestion forever, and after the first visit, I could breathe better than I have, and then super clear now after 4 visits.
That's cool. What do you expect this to do to change your life? Now that you have better energy, you're not in that fight or flight state, what's that going to do for your cognitive enhancement and everything?
Well, you can think more clearly, move forward versus just trying to survive. Just exponentially better breathing. Yeah, it's going to enhance, my mood's better. I feel, have a lot more energy, and I'm excited. I've funneled everything that I possibly could through a neti pot, ranging from just a normal, saline solution all the way up to cayenne pepper.
Wow.
And was toying with the juice left over from kimchi because of the probiotics inside of that and the recent study that I read. So just been doing, everything I possibly can over the years to try to figure out how to solve it.
When you're ready, I want you to sit up, face this way, and then I want you to breathe through one nostril at a time like you did before. Tell me how it feels.
All right, so yes, it's a lot more open for sure.
Is it really?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's awesome.
Yeah, amazing change, instantaneous change.
Instantaneous change.
Yeah.
Tell me how many decades you've been dealing with this sinus infection mess for
Over 30 years.
30 years?
Yeah, 30. I'm 51. So
Wow.
yeah,
So today's going to be a little bit different experience going home.
I think so. Yeah.
And I'm excited to see how the next few visits go.
Yeah.
Cool, thanks.
Scott.
How's breathing after the 4th visit?
Oh wow.
Visit 4.
Amazing. 4. Yeah. Exponentially better.
Exponentially better?
Yeah, absolutely. This side, when I got here, before number 1, the X-ray it was like 0. Yeah, it was like.
Oh yeah, super compressed.
Super compressed on the left side. Now it's like, it's like I think it's in some ways it's better than the right side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.